Hello everyone. I hope you are safe and healthy. I am Purti Garg and I am back with a new course on ancient India. Ancient India is a very important topic and it is also a bit tough to learn. We normally struggle to learn different places, different terms, etc. And normally students skip this topic with the fear that they will not be able to memorize it. And if they have memorized it, they will not be able to retain it for a longer period of time. But here I will be helping you learn ancient India, learn different important topics of ancient India with the help of memory techniques. There is so much to learn. Like we have Indus Valley sites, we have their archaeological findings, then Vedic age, Jainism, Buddhism, lots of places, lots of terms related to them. Then Mauryan dynasty, Gupta dynasty, lots of terms related to administration, court poets, books, authors, etc. etc. So it is tough to learn. But yes, everything will seem easy now as I will be helping you learn them with the help of memory techniques. So the topic that we'll be dealing today is chronology of ancient India. We'll begin with an order, with the structure of this course so that you know where we are at the point of time in that very lecture. Okay, so chronology of ancient India is very important. We should understand it, that how dynasties came, etc. etc. Okay, so I am Purti Garg. I am a national memory champion and I have been selected in top 120 talents of India. You can know more about me over here. So let's begin with chronology of ancient India. Also, before moving forward, I would like to tell you that you can follow me on Telegram. I keep posting questions, some practice questions over there, some additional bytes of information there. So you can search Sampurti Memory Booster or you can follow me from the link given in the description below. Also, please like, share and subscribe my channel if you genuinely like the videos. Let's start with chronology of ancient India. First is Paleolithic period. As you all must be knowing, Lithic, the Stone Age period. So the first is Lithic age, that is the Stone Age. So we have Paleolithic period, Meso. Meso means middle. So Mesolithic period and Neo. Neo means new. So first was old Paleolithic, then middle Stone Age and finally new Stone Age. So Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic. Then came Chalcolithic. This was the period which was known as Copper Age basically. And finally came the Indus Valley Civilization, the Bronze Age. So this is easy to learn. Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, the Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. Then after stones we came like we were acquainted with copper and finally Indus Valley Civilization came into being. Then Vedic period. Now why Vedic period came? Because Indus Valley Civilization का खत्म हो गया था. जब वो खत्म होने वाली थी वहां पर earthquakes है, बहुत सारी different theories हैं. We have different theories for the destruction of Indus Valley Civilization. After that arose the Vedic period. The Aryans came over here. So the period of Aryans was the Vedic period. We have early Vedic age and the later Vedic age. All this we will be dealing in detail in our upcoming videos. Then we have Mahajanpat period followed by Buddhism and Jainism. Now, if we know the reason why Buddhism and Jainism grew, so this chronology will be easy for us. Buddhism and Jainism, why it came up? Why? Because Vedic period में क्या था, बहुत सारे हवन, like Aryans, they were typically into worships, sacrifices, lots of havans, etc. बहुत ज़्यादा priest को importance दी थी, Brahmanism, etc. लोगों को rites and rituals में बहुत ज़्यादा बांध दिया था. So now people were not feeling comfortable following all those rites, all those rituals. So they wanted to free themselves from all those things. And Buddhism and Jainism did not promote these rites, rituals, etc. They gave freedom to man, freedom of thought to man. So people started moving from Vedic age to Buddhism and Jainism. That is from the age of rituals, from the age of rigidities, from the age of Brahmanism. प्रीस्ट की जो बहुत ज्यादा हर जगह पूछताछ थी उससे ज्यादा दे स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म. खुद को फ्री करना चाहते थे वो प्रीस्ट के इन्फ्लुएंस से, राइट? यहाँ तक तो इट्स इजी टू मैनेज chronology. Now what about these dynasties? These dynasties we can learn very easily with the help of memory techniques. First came Magad Empire. Magad के लिए I can make Mag as my code. Magad, Mag. Maurya, more I can pick up more, peacock. So my code for Mauryan is peacock, more. Then kingdoms after the Mauryas. Naturally, Mauryan dynasty was followed by post-Mauryan period. संगम एज, संगम, संगम मतलब संग, टू हैव साथ, एक दूसरे का साथ, टुगेदरनेस. Okay, so and finally Gupta dynasty. So we have a fish known as guppy fish. Okay, so now we will be relating it very nicely. Till Buddhism and Jainism, it's clear. Like we can reason it out, we can arrange them in chronological order with the help of reasons, logical reasoning. Coming to Mauryan dynasty, now you can see this mug and you can see this peacock sitting over the mug. So how I can make a story? I can say that mug, peacock was sitting on a mug and this peacock was in love with this mug. वो जहां भी जाता था अपना मग साथ में लेके जाता था. So संगम, अगर वो उड़ता भी था तो अपना मग साथ में लेके उड़ता था. एंड गुप्ता डायनेस्टी, गुप्ता मीन्स गपी फिश, तो वो मग को साथ में क्यों लेकर उड़ता था? कोई तो रीजन होगा. रीजन वाज दैट दिस पीकॉक लव्स ईटिंग गपी फिश. तो जहां भी उसको गपी फिश मिलती थी वो जल्दी से अपनी पीक में उठाता था और उसको मग में डाल देता था कि घर जाकर आराम से डिनर करूंगा. सो गपी फिश. सो मौर्यन मगध एम्पायर, क्योंकि पहले मग था, मग पर मोर बैठा था, सो मौर्यन डायनेस्टी. देन मोर हमेशा मग को साथ में लेकर उड़ता था, तो संगम एज. एंड फाइनली क्यों साथ में उड़ता था? ताकि वो गपी फिश को मग में डाल ले और घर जाकर आराम से खाना खाए. सो गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. सो दिस वाज अबाउट द क्रोनोलॉजी, मोटी मोटी क्रोनोलॉजी. आई टोल्ड यू ब्रॉड टॉपिक्स जो थे. नाउ वी नीड टू लर्न द किंग्स, द रूलर्स दैट केम इन दीज डायनेस्टीज. So why we should learn them? Because if we are writing an answer of mains also, or if we are writing about art and culture, so we can quote them. If we know about our ancient India, we can easily relate it with art and culture. Okay, so we can write better answers. Also in state PCS, direct questions can come from this area. So let's begin learning the Magad Empire first. Magad, as I told you, my code for Magad is Mag, right? नाउ मगध डायनेस्टी में बहुत सारी मगध एम्पायर में बहुत सारी डायनेस्टीज थी. हरियंका डायनेस्टी, शिशुनाग डायनेस्टी, नंदा डायनेस्टी. दीज 3 डायनेस्टीज बिलोंग टू मगध एम्पायर. नाउ हाउ टू लर्न दिस? फर्स्ट, पहले हम डायनेस्टीज याद करेंगे. हमने लिया एक मग, एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा ग्रीन कलर का मग था. सो हरियंका डायनेस्टी, हरियंका, हरी, हरी हरा कलर, ग्रीन कलर, हरा. सो ग्रीन कलर का मग था, हरा मग. उसमें एक नाग बैठा था, शिशु नाग, नाग. कैन आई सी दिस नाग? तो इस मग के अंदर एक ब्लैक कलर का स्नेक बैठा हुआ था. नंदा, अंडा. आई कैन सी दिस अंडा. तो इस स्नेक ने क्या करा था? इस मग के अंदर अपने अंडे दिए थे. दिस स्नेक लेड एग्स इन दिस ग्रीन कलर्ड मग. सो मगध एम्पायर, मग, मग कैसा था? ग्रीन कलर का था. उसके अंदर एक नाग बैठा था एंड दैट नाग गिव eggs in the mug. So Magad Empire, Haryanka dynasty, Shishunag dynasty and Nanda dynasty. Now we need to remember the kings also. If we have to learn the kings which belong to the particular dynasty. So how can we learn that? Let's start with Haryanka dynasty. Hari, Yanka, Hari and Yanka, Yanka Priyanka. So can you see this beautiful Priyanka Chopra in green dress? Hari, Priyanka. Hari plus Priyanka is Haryanka. So Priyanka Chopra is dressed in green color dress. Okay, so Haryanka. So my code for Haryanka dynasty is Priyanka Chopra. Bimbi Sara, Sara, Sara Ali Khan. So Priyanka Chopra and Sara Ali Khan are very good friends. Ajat Shatru, Ajat, Ajit, Arijit Singh. Udayan, Udin, Udit, Udit Narayan, Udayan, Udit Narayan. I can make my code. So Priyanka Chopra and Sara Ali Khan are very good friends, but they hate Arijit Singer and they love Udit Narayan. Now, why they hate Arijit Singh? Because Arijit sings very heartbroken songs, but Udit Narayan sings very romantic songs. So Priyanka Chopra and Sara Ali Khan, they love romantic songs. That's why they love Udit Narayan, and they do not love heartbroken songs. So they hate अरिजीत सिंह, राइट. सो मगध एम्पायर, मग था, मग से आपको डायनेस्टीज याद हो गई. ग्रीन कलर का मग था, उसमें नाग था और अंडा था. सो हरियंका डायनेस्टी, शिशुनाग डायनेस्टी एंड नंदा डायनेस्टी. कमिंग टू द किंग्स, हरियंका डायनेस्टी. सो प्रियंका चोपड़ा इन ग्रीन ड्रेस. She was friends with Sara Ali Khan, but they hate these heartbroken songs, so they hate Arijit Singh, and they loved romantic songs, so they loved Udit Narayan. Coming to Nag dynasty, Shishunag dynasty. So Shishunag dynasty का पहला किंग शिशुनाग ही था एंड ये जो नाग था वो ब्लैक कलर का था, काले कलर का था, काला. सो काला सोक. सो दिस नाग वॉज ब्लैक इन कलर. सो शिशु नाग एंड काला सोक. Now this Kala Sok also held second Buddhist council. This we will be learning and dealing with in detail when we will learn about Buddhism and Jainism, right? Coming to Nanda dynasty, Nanda Anda. So Mahapadmananda, Mahatma Gandhi. You can see Mahatma Gandhi over here. Mahatma Gandhi. धनानंद, धन क्या होता है? पैसा. क्यों पैसा पैसा करती है तू, सॉन्ग है ना. सो धन इज पैसा. सो नंदा, अंडा. नाउ दिस महात्मा गांधी इज लुकिंग फॉर अंडा. यू कैन सी यहाँ पर झाड़ियां हैं, बहुत सारे पेड़ पौधे हैं, एंड महात्मा गांधी इज सर्चिंग फॉर अंडा, सर्चिंग फॉर एग इन दीज झाड़ियां, इन दीज प्लांट्स. वाई? बिकॉज उनको किसी ने बोला था कि यहाँ पर सोने की मुर्गी का अंडा छुपा हुआ है. धन उनको था, अगर मैं ये अंडा ढूंढ लूंगा, इफ आई कैन फाइंड दिस एग, सो आई विल गेट वेल्दी, मेरे पास धन आ जाएगा. वाई? बिकॉज दिस एग वॉज नॉट अ नॉर्मल एग, दिस एग वॉज द एग ऑफ गोल्डन hen. So महात्मा, नंदा, अंडा. अंडा कौन ढूंढ रहा था? महात्मा गांधी. वाई? टू गेट वेल्दी, धन, धनानंद, right? And when Dhananand was the king, in his time period, Alexander invaded India. So I hope Magad Empire is clear to all of you. Coming to Maurya period, हमने बोला था ना कि मगध, मग के साथ मग पर मोर बैठा होता है. So coming to Maurya dynasty, Maurya period now. So Maurya, More. Chandragupta Maurya, Chandra. My code for Chandragupta Maurya is Chand. Bindusara, Bindu, Bindi, that your mothers put every day on forehead. So Bindi. And Ashoka, King Ashoka, we all know. Now मोर के ऊपर चांद है. कैन यू सी? दिस इज अ मोर इन द पैलेस ऑफ किंग अशोक, एंड ये स्पेशल मोर है. इसके मोर के जो हेड है उस पर क्या है? चांद है, इस तरह से. कैन यू सी दिस? ये जो है ये चांद है, एक्स्ट्रा फीचर. ठीक है, ये चांद है. सो दिस मोर इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल मोर, इट इज अ मोर इन द पैलेस ऑफ किंग अशोका. तो मौर्य डायनेस्टी, मोर के सर पर क्या है? चांद. और वो एक सुंदर सी ब्यूटीफुल सी बिंदी लगाता है, और वो कहाँ रहता है? किंग अशोका के पैलेस में. सो कैन यू ऑल इमेजिन मोर पे एक सुंदर सा चांद है उसका, एंड वो बिंदी लगा के किंग अशोका के पैलेस में इधर से उधर उड़ता रहता है. सो दीज आर द किंग्स, इंपॉर्टेंट किंग्स ऑफ मौर्य पीरियड. Coming to post-modern period, these are very important. You can get a direct question on them in the state exam. Post-modern period, Indo-Greeks. Now Greeks के लिए हम ग्रेट डेन डॉग ले सकते हैं. कैन यू सी दिस डॉग? ग्रेट डेन. तो ग्रेट डेन डॉग है ये. नाउ ही इज रनिंग बिहाइंड दिस पीकॉक. ये मोर के पीछे भाग रहा है. अभी हमने मॉडर्न पीरियड पढ़ा. नाउ वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट पोस्ट मॉडर्न पीरियड. तो जब ये मोर उड़ने लगा तो क्या हुआ? तो इंडो ग्रीक्स आए, दैट मीन्स ग्रेट डेन डॉग आया, और वो ग्रेट डेन डॉग इस मोर के पीछे दौड़ने लगा. क्यों दौड़ने लगा? वाई? बिकॉज उसको शक था. ही वॉज इन अ डाउट. Why he was doubting more? Because he felt that the peacock had something precious with him. So I want to be a part of it. Parthians, part. So this great Dane dog started running behind this peacock with the doubt, एक शक के साथ कि मोर के पास the peacock is having something precious. So he wanted to be a part of it. Parthians, part of it. Once he will be a part of peacock, he will be in his team, he will be very happy. Kushans, खुश. So ये ग्रेट डेन डॉग मोर के पीछे भाग रहा है क्योंकि इसको डाउट है कि मोर के पास कुछ प्रेशियस है. अगर मोर इसके साथ शेयर करता है, इफ दिस डॉग बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस, सो ही विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी. दिस वाज अबाउट सेंट्रल एशियन कॉन्टैक्ट. बट कमिंग टू ईस्टर्न इंडिया, सेंट्रल इंडिया एंड द डेक्कन, उसमें कुछ अलग डायनेस्टीज थी. देयर वर सम डिफरेंट डायनेस्टीज ओवर देयर. Indo-Greeks, Sharks, Kushans, Parthians, they were in the northwest India. But in the eastern India or central India, we had different dynasties. So they are Shung dynasty, Kanva dynasty, Chetis and Satvahans. So when this great Dane dog was running behind Moor, this peacock, so this peacock said, Sun मतलब hear great Dane, पूरे कान लगाकर सुन. You will not be able to catch me because I am flying or I am running with the speed of a cheetah, leopard. And आप मुझे 7 जन्मों तक, सतवाहन 7, you cannot catch me even in 7 जन्म्स. So मोर कहता है, मोर ग्रेट डेन को चैलेंज करता है और कहता है सुन, कान लगाकर सुन, I am running with the speed of cheetah and you will never be able to catch me even in सात जन्म. I hope you will never forget this because it's getting easy now. मॉरियन मोर उड़ा था तो पोस्ट मॉरियन तो ग्रेट डेन डॉग भागा था एंड उसके बाद मोर ने उसको चैलेंज किया था. कमिंग टू संगम एज. संगम संगम मतलब साथ रहना हमेशा. सो पांडवास जो थे, पांडवास 5 भाई थे एंड दे वर ऑलवेज टुगेदर. पांडवास ऑलवेज, 5 पांडव, दे ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू स्टे टुगेदर एंड फेस एवरी चैलेंज टुगेदर. And they used to love chola, chola kulcha and cherries. Cholas, cholas, chole bhature, chola kulcha, cheras, cherry. So these Pandavas, they always stayed together, sangam saath mein, and they were fond of eating chola, chola bhatura and cherries. Right? Coming to Gupta dynasty, as I told you, for Gupta my code is guppy fish. You can see this very beautiful guppy fish. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, सॉरी चंद्रगुप्त वन, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य चांद था, वो कहाँ था? मौर्यन डायनेस्टी में, ओवर हेयर. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य चांद. कमिंग टू गुप्ता डायनेस्टी, चंद्रगुप्त वन. सो अगेन माय कोड फॉर चंद्रगुप्त विल बी चांद, लेकिन यहाँ पर मोर के ऊपर चांद नहीं है, यहाँ पर फिश के ऊपर चांद है, गपी फिश के ऊपर चांद है ये, ठीक है. सो गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. समुद्रगुप्त, समुद्र, समुद्र क्या होता है? सी. So these fish are enjoying in the sea. You can see this samudra, this water between these two guppy fish. So samudra. तो चंद्रगुप्त 1 और चंद्रगुप्त 2 के बीच में कौन आ गया? समुद्र. There is Samudragupta in between Chandragupta 1 and Chandragupta 2. This is Chandragupta 1. This fish is Chandragupta 1. This fish is Chandragupta 2. And this sea, this water is between the two. So Chandragupta 1 and Chandragupta 2 के बीच में आ गया समुद्रगुप्त. कुमारगुप्त. Kumargupt and Skandgupt. Skandgupt, you can imagine skates. You can see the skates. And Kumargupt, Kumar. Kumar कौन होता है? राजकुमार. So they are running, they are enjoying the water of the seas. Or you can say Kumar Sanu. Kumar Sanu को तो सब जानते हैं, very famous singer. So these fish are enjoying in the sea and dancing to the tunes of Kumar Sanu songs. Wearing skates, skate पर डांस कर रहे हैं. They are wearing skates and they are dancing to the tunes of Kumar Sanu. So Chandragupta 1, this fish is Chandragupta 1, this fish is Chandragupta 2. We have sea water between them, and they too are dancing on the songs of Kumar Sanu wearing skates. So Skandgupt. Now you will never forget the order of the kings. Coming to post Gupta period. Post Gupta period, that means after the Guptas, all the different dynasties that came in the South India, it means South Indian kingdoms, etc., etc. So all the dynasties we will be dealing with. So Vardhana dynasty, Vardhana, Varun Dhawan. So you can see picture of Varun Dhawan over here. So Vardhana, I can break it into two, Varun plus Dhawan. So Vardhana dynasty, my code for Vardhana dynasty is Varun Dhawan. Vakatakas, Vaka, Vakil. You can see Varun Dhawan dressed as a lawyer, black and white. So Vakataka is Vaka, Vakil. So Varun Dhawan is a Vakil, is an advocate, and he is very chalu. Advocates to chalu hote hain na, they are very cunning from mind. So Varun Dhawan is very chalu. He can bring expressions. He's a good actor. He can bring expressions on his face very easily. So Varun Dhawan is an advocate and he is very chalu, but he is very fond of his India, of Rashtrakutas. Rashtra क्या होता है? देश. So this Varun Dhawan is very chalu and he is fond of, or he loves his country. He loves his Rashtra. So he is in love with his country India. तो क्या बोलता है? अब इसकी शादी का टाइम आता है. When his mother and father are planning to marry him, so he says, since I am in love with India, I'll marry an Indian girl, and that girl should have a very beautiful Indian name. कुछ नाम ऐसा जो इंडिया से जुड़ा हो. So the name of the girl is Ganga. Okay, so Varun Dhawan, he's a vakil, an advocate, he's very chalu and he loves his country. He loves his Rashtra and he wants to marry a girl having an Indian name. So her name is Ganga. One day he proposed Ganga and says, Pearl, I love you. Pearl means friend, a very good friend. So Pearl, I love you. Pallavas, Pearl, I love you. So this Varun Dhawan is proposing Ganga saying, Pearl, I love you. So then she also got happy and they sat together and ate chola bhatura, chola bhatura, palas, pal. There is a song by Arijit Singh, no, pal, something of that sort. So they were eating chola bhatura and listening to the song pal. And finally Pratiharas and Rajputas. Ganga ने वरुण धवन को अपना पति मान लिया था. Patiharas, and finally they lived like king and queen. Rajputas, Raja. So they lived like king and queen. So let's very quickly revise. Varun Dhawan एक वकील था. He was very chalu. He was in love with his country. So he wanted to marry a girl having Indian name. So Ganga, he proposed her saying, I love you, Pearl, I love you. Then they went on for eating chola bhatura in a famous restaurant and listening to the song of Pal कुछ जो song है. And then there Ganga said that yes, you are my pati, and they lived together happily like king and queen. So now whenever you will see Varun Dhawan on television, naturally the story will come to your mind. So this was all about today. All for today. We have learned all the dynasties, all the kings. Actually this is a burden for us, क्योंकि ये डायनेस्टीज हमें क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में याद नहीं रहती हैं, एंड उसके अलावा जो किंग्स हैं उनका ऑर्डर याद नहीं रहता है. तो जो आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं आर्ट एंड कल्चर में. नाउ वी कैन बेटर रिलेट विद देम. फॉर एग्जांपल, वेरी क्विकली इफ आई टेक यू टू द रिविजन. सो मगध एम्पायर, मग क्या था, बहुत सारी डायनेस्टीज थी. हरा रंग का मग था, ग्रीन कलर, देयर वाज अ नाग, देयर वाज अंडा. सो शिशुनाग डायनेस्टी एंड नंदा डायनेस्टी. Then Haryanka, green color dress में Priyanka Chopra, she was in friends with Sara Ali Khan, hated Arijit Singh and loved Udit Narayan. Nag was black in color. Nanda, Mahatma Gandhi was searching for anda by golden hen. Then Maurya, मोर के सर पे चांद था, बहुत सुंदर सी बिंदी लगाई थी, and it was in the palace of King Ashoka. Post Mauryan, मोर के पीछे एक great Dane dog भगा था, उसको शक था, and he wanted to be a part of this peacock so that he can be happy. देन ईस्टर्न इंडिया में मोर चैलेंज करता था ग्रेट डेन को एंड सेड, सुन, पूरे कान लगाकर सुन, आई एम फ्लाइंग विद द स्पीड ऑफ चीता एंड यू कैन नॉट कैच मी इवन इन 7 जन्म. संगम, पांडव हमेशा साथ रहते थे एंड दे वर फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग छोला कुलचा एंड चेरीज. गुप्ता, दिस गपी फिश. चंद्रगुप्त 1, चंद्रगुप्त 2, ये चांद जैसा चेहरा, ये सब चांद जैसी इनका ये है फिन्स. एंड देयर वाज सी वेव्स बिटवीन देम, सो समुद्रगुप्त. एंड देन दे वर लिसनिंग टू द सॉन्ग्स ऑफ कुमार सानू एंड डांसिंग वेयरिंग स्केट्स, सो स्कंदगुप्त. पोस्ट गुप्ता में वरुण धवन वकील था एंड बहुत चालू था. ही वॉज इन लव विद हिज कंट्री. Proposed to his friend Ganga, saying, Pal, I love you. Went to eat chola bhatura and listened to the songs of Pal. There Ganga also said that yes, you are my pati, and they lived happily like king and queen. So for practice questions, you can follow me on Telegram. You can search Sampurti Memory Booster, or you can follow me on the link given in the description below. There you can practice some questions. I'll put up some mock questions or practice questions so you can answer them and you can know if you were able to learn them, all of it, right? So please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you very soon. The next video will be on Indus Valley Civilization, its sites and their archaeological findings. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Take care.